Hey guys, I'm Shraddha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and that's Louis. That is actually future Shraddha. This is the editing Shraddha. Actually, I forgot to film the intro because that was like the part of the previous vlog continuation. So anyways, in today's vlog, it's going to be about the secret project that me and Charan have been working on for a while with the support of my dad. Actually, he's the one who's taking care of literally everything, but yeah, that was my and Charan's idea. So to know a little more about our secret project, I can say, if that's a secret. So yeah, to know a little more about it, it's 5th October and time right now is actually around 3:30 p.m. So I was having a little work here and there from the morning, and now we are gonna be going to our secret project. So this is going to be like a huge announcement. This is the biggest thing I am doing in my life. So now let's go. This is my OOTD. I'm wearing pretty basic things. So we have like a few works to be done there. So I'll go show it to you and then we'll talk about. I'll just give you like a glimpse as to what it actually is after showing it to you. So let's go. I'll take you along. Hi guys, so we have almost reached that place. So I'll show you like a glimpse of it. Then I'll tell you more about it once I come back to the car. But I'll give you like a little glimpse. So how the place looks like as of now. Let's go. We reached. I'm back in the car, and as you guys have seen, I don't know, like obviously you can't really understand what is going on. So basically we had an old building which was like 30 years old or something, which we are converting into something special. Should we like me and Charan are doing it together, so it's our project, and it is related to pets. That is what I want to say in this vlog. It is related to pets. We are doing something super huge which is related to pets, and I'm so excited. Like, if you guys know me, you know how much I love pets, and so does Charan. Like, even he's like so passionate about this project. Like, I'll tell you, like, let's do like a story time sometime in the future, but you know, that is what I want to give you. We have been working on this for like about 4 or 5 months now, or maybe more. We were actually thinking about it maybe like for an year now, but we started working on it like 4 months. From 4 months, most of the like work my dad is only taking care of it. Like, he's the one who's taking care of everything. Like, he's the one who's staying there looking after everything and all. And yeah, so yeah, that's coming to life. I'm so excited. I don't exactly know when it's going to open, but a lot of work is happening. A lot of stuff is involved in that. It's not any basic pet shop. I don't want to give away a lot because I want to, like, you know, show you like a proper video when I show every detail of it. So yeah, that is the biggest thing that's been happening in my life, and I'm so excited about it. Like, I can't even tell you. So yeah, that is it. And so even right now we are going to go somewhere to a place. I'll take you along obviously, so let's go. How?
It's very expensive, 1759.
Yeah, but look at this one, it's so pretty. Look at them, they're so pretty. Like, look at all of these. They're so colorful and nice. Don't you think? Which one do you like?
I like this one.
Oh my god, they're not straight, if you can see. So pretty. I want to buy all of them, but they are very expensive, to be honest. Can you show me the price of this one? Like, look, one glass is for 600 rupees. Look at how fancy these spoons look. Like, look, they're vintage. Rose gold. Charan, we are buying this. Wow, so pretty. Oh my god, guys, look at these. Wow. Oh, look at these ones. I love them more. Wow. This is all of like rose gold combination collection, I think. Looks so pretty. Look at these bowls. Charan, buy me everything, Charan. They're so pretty. Look at these. I can put cookies in. You want to drink water in the shoe? Like, look. You want?
Yeah.
These cards where you have French fries in restaurants. Even they are here. Like, look. Oh my god. So pretty. So many things. Like, literally, I want to buy that now and have French fries. Can you see pink spoons? I would totally buy all of that for my house. Like, look, you have so many colorful spoons here, and the bowls are also super pretty, as you can see. Like, wow. Oh, I want to buy everything now. Although I'm not going to be spending even a rupee today. I promise myself that, and I promise Sharon that. Look, colorful plates, colorful cups, and there's pink ones here. Wow. Look at these cups. They're so pretty. Like, look, tie-dye. Wow, there's so many varieties. Like, wow, looks so good. Look at these huge cups. They look like bottles for me. Stars, they look so pretty too. And these ones are so cute. Look. Even these plates, you know, you can serve French fries in them. Like, look. I think that they are used for that only, no?
Yeah.
Look, so many. Maybe these are used for sauces or, you know, the sides. Look at these. They're in heart shape. I think they're individual cups. Like, see. Oh my god. They're gold in the bottom. So pretty. I have like so many designs for dips, you know. Like, see, look at them.
Yeah.
Look at this butterfly one, so pretty. The heart ones here. Oh my god, this place is like a paradise to me. Want to have a shot? Look at the shot glasses. They look so cute. Like, how much is it?
54 rupees for a glass.
Okay. There are jugs. There are literally like so many things in here. There are wine glasses. I don't know what all glasses are used for what, to be honest, but yeah. Oh my god, there are more colorful glasses here. I don't know why, but these colorful glasses tempt me a lot. And also, there are these filters or, you know, whatever, dispensers. So nice. Oh my god, looks like there's something in there. There's Fanta. Oh my god, these bottles are so pretty. I think they're oil bottles if I'm not wrong. Pink is tempting me everywhere. Look. It's so nice, no? And guys, all of these are like glass bottles, if you can see. If I buy them, I'll break them for sure. But this pink one is like so good. There are like so many varieties in here, as you can see. All of them are glass bottles again, if you can see. Look. Here are some printed ones. Look at these storage boxes. These are so pretty. Like, wow. What is this?
Yeah.
But look at these. Don't you think they're pretty? Huh? Look at these salt and pepper storages. Even they look so aesthetic. Like the marble print and everything. So good. These pickle jars are also super aesthetic. Like, I don't know, but I like everything here. Like, they are not placed in a proper way, but if we properly set it at home, they are gonna look really, really nice. Hand wash dispensers. I don't know why am I giving you the introduction, but yeah. Look at these. I think they are soap holders. Even though I don't use soap, but they look super pretty and aesthetic. Look at these ones. Like, wow. They're so pretty. Don't you think?
No, they are so pretty.
Look at this one. It has some balls, like silver balls. Like, look, what are these? Can you open it once? These ones? This one, this one, this one. Oh, maybe you can put sauces or something in that. It's a spoon. Look at the cap. Wow, so pretty.
That's not the glass one.
I mean the plastic. Even the cleaner has that. If you can see. Wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's not. I don't think it's movable. It's so pretty. Like, look. And right now we came to have dinner at this place called as Board Game Cafe. I love this place. It's like my frequent hangout place. So we're gonna be having dinner here. I'm really hungry. I'm craving for some chicken nachos. French fries.
Very French fries. One chicken nachos. And one main course.
I'll see. Are you ready to fail?
You're going to fail.
Come on, we all know. What is this? What is this?
Increasing the level of...
Sure. Your turn.
It's your turn. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. I want waffle.
Want waffle? Let's have waffle.
I eat a lot. More than this guy. So that is all for today's vlog, guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it. And yeah, the next vlog, I'm planning to do this like a series kind of a thing, where I'm gonna be doing like what it is about, how we got a thought about it, the construction process, and maybe everything in like a series. Yeah, that's Sharon and Louis fighting in the background. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this vlog, and I really want you all to be the part of this beautiful journey of my life. So yeah, I'm sorry if I'm not very frequent because a lot of work is going on. And yeah, I'll see you guys super soon in my next vlog. Thank you so much. Bye.